boys, girls, and families. Today I am going to show you how to log in as a student to Class Dojo and complete work in your portfolio. The first thing you are going to click when you are on Class Dojo is log in. Then you will click Student and the picture with the backpack. You will be given 3 different options to log in. You can scan a QR code, which your teacher would have sent to your parent. You can put in a text code or sign in with Google. Today I am going to use the text code. You will need to ask your teacher for the text code that day because the code does change every day. So I'm going to click on the ABC and put in the code that my teacher gave me. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to find my name and click on it. This will let me see my portfolio. As you can see on my portfolio, I have an option. I can upload a photo, I can upload a video, I can draw, I can add a file, or I can write a little journal entry. There will be a to-do list, and here my teacher has assigned me a worksheet, so I'm going to click Start. Now on Class Dojo, I can actually write on this worksheet. So this worksheet is a little bit small, so I'm going to zoom in so I can see it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and it looks like it is glitching a bit. And I can see the first problem, and it said I see a quarter, a penny, another penny, 2 dimes, and a nickel. In order to write on this, I need to click right here, and I can choose how thick I want the line to be, and I'm going to keep it on the small one. I am using a stylus because it is a lot easier to write on, but you could also use your finger if you are on a touch screen, or your mouse if you're on a laptop. So I am actually going to look at the quarter. I know a quarter is worth 25 cents. I'm going to add the nickel 5 cents to that. That's 30. Dimes are 10 cents, so 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50, and then add my 2 pennies, and that's 52 cents. So I'm going to write that in my worksheet here. Once I've completed the worksheet, I'm going to just really quickly fill in my answers. I should add cents to these. And if I want to scroll down now, I have to click this arrow here in order to scroll down and see the rest of them, and then click on the pen again. And then I can fill in the rest of the worksheet. And I'll earn 36 cents. And here we have 49 cents. And now I've completed the worksheet, I'm going to click on the top right where it says Hand In. And that would be how I would complete all of my worksheets on Class Dojo. As you can see, that is how we post our assignments. If you have any other questions, please let myself or your teacher know.